The command unit in the C-Class model W204 with fold-up screen has a built-in 4GB hard disk. MP3, WMA, and AAC files can be copied from CDs, DVDs and memory cards straight onto this hard disk. As soon as the ignition is switched on, the command screen slides out of the console. When the DVD changer is selected, the system asks for one or more discs. Push a disc into the slot and wait until it is recognized. Then use the turn-push control to select the audio menu. In order to view the music register, select the appropriate menu item Music Register. In this case there are no music files on the hard disk yet. Select the desired music register and confirm Copy Music Data. When the data storage medium has been loaded, here an MP3 CD, you can select what to copy to the hard disk. Mark the desired files and continue with Continue. Confirm the process and the files are copied to the hard disk. The menu Music Register, Memory Info, shows how much memory space is currently occupied. To erase all the data, select Erase All Music Files in the same menu. To prevent the data from being erased accidentally, the system again asks you to confirm the process. After erasing, the memory info shows that the hard disk is empty.